Friends, how are you all? So students, Honeycomb class 7th English book. Today we will do chapter number 2, question answers given on page number 29. Working with the text we have done till here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and question 6, this one. So children, let's start. Okay students, so let's do the question answers. See, question number 1, describe the music teacher as seen from the window. तो विंडो से म्यूजिक टीचर कैसे दिख रहे हैं, हमें ये डिस्क्राइब करना है. वो क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने क्या पहन रखा है, वो कैसे दिख रहे हैं. द म्यूजिक टीचर वॉज अ बोनी फिगर. बोनी फिगर मीन्स बहुत पतला, एकदम हड्डी दिख रहे थे बहुत पतले से. ही वॉज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ लल्ली हिज स्टूडेंट विथ हिज बैक towards the window. He was facing his back towards the window. He was a bald-headed man. Bald-headed means जो टकला होता है जिसके बाल कम होते हैं. With fringe of oil hair falling around his ears. So he combed his hairs in such a way that it was falling around his ears. He had an old-fashioned tuft. He was wearing a shiny gold chain, so he was wearing a gold chain around his neck which was shining, and even a diamond ring on his hand. Okay, he was wearing a gold bordered dhoti, so he was wearing a white dhoti which had a golden border. He was beating the floor with his thin malnourished toe. अपने अंगूठों से फ्लोर पे वायलिन सिखाते सिखाते बजाते जा रहे थे. क्वेश्चन 2 फर्स्ट, व्हाट मेक्स मृदु कंक्लूड दैट द बेगर हैज नो मनी टू बाई चप्पल्स. तो मृदु ने ये क्यों क्या कहा कि बेगर के पास पैसे नहीं है चप्पल खरीदने को. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज शी सजेस्ट टू शो हर कंसर्न. अपना कंसर्न दिखाने के लिए बेगर के लिए उसने क्या सजेस्ट किया. लेट्स सी द आंसर. Part 1, when the beggar showed his feet to the children, they could see blisters on them, full stop. This made Mridu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chappals. तो उसके पैरों में पूरे छाले पड़ गए थे और मृदु ने कंक्लूड किया कि उसके पास पैसे नहीं है कि वो चप्पल खरीद के पहने. She suggests that they give away a pair of chappals to the beggar. उनको एक जोड़ा चप्पल बेगर को देना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन 3, have you children? She began, and then seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly. Seen anyone lurking around the veranda? So 3 questions are here. First question is, what do you think Rukumani really wanted to ask? रुकुमनी क्या पूछना चाहती थी. Why did she change her question? फिर उन्होंने अपना क्वेश्चन क्यों बदल दिया. थर्ड वन, what did she think had happened? रुकुमनी ने क्या सोचा कि क्या हुआ है. फर्स्ट आंसर, रुकुमनी wanted to ask if the children were responsible behind the stealth of the chappals. Stealth means stealing of the chappals. Second question students, she changed her question because उन्होंने अपना question क्यों बदला. Seeing the children so serious and quiet, she understood that the children definitely had something to do with the missing chappals. बच्चे बहुत शांत बैठे थे इसलिए वो समझ गई कि missing chappals के पीछे इनका ही हाथ है. थर्ड नंबर आंसर, she thought that the children would have purposely hidden for pair of chappals. उन्हें लग रहा था कि बच्चों ने जानबूझ के चप्पल को छुपा दिया है. Question 4, on getting Gopu Mama's chappals, the music teacher tried not to look too happy. Why? जब गोपू मामा का चप्पल रुकुमनी ने उनको दिया तो वो बहुत खुश नहीं दिखना चाहते थे. क्यों? The music teacher tried not to look so happy because he wanted to pretend that his chappals were valuable. क्योंकि वो ये दिखाना चाहते थे कि उनकी जो चप्पल चोरी हुई है वो बहुत कीमती और वैल्यूएबल थी. Although in reality he liked the new chappals of Gopu Mama. But in reality, whichever chappal was given to the music teacher by Rukumani, Gopu Mama's chappals, he was very happy with those chappals. Question number 5, students. On getting a gift of chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in a hurry to leave? चप्पल पाते ही बेगर क्या किया, जल्दी से वहां से चला गया. क्यों वो इतने हरी में था? आई थिंक द बेगर वॉन्टेड टू लीव as early as possible because he did not want to lose the gift of chappals. वो नहीं चाहता था कि उसका गिफ्ट ऑफ चप्पल्स उससे ले लिया जाए या वो लूज करे. he needed the चप्पल्स बैडली. उसको सच में चप्पल्स की जरूरत थी. इतनी धूप थी, इतनी गर्मी थी, उसके पैरों में पूरे छाले हो रखे थे, पूरे ब्लिस्टर्स हो रखे थे. as his feet were full of blisters. Question 6. On getting a gift of chappals, Okay, students, see question number 6. Walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukumani began to laugh. What made her laugh? किचन की तरफ जब रुकुमनी गई तो वो हंसने लगी. क्यों हंसने लगी? आंसर: The thought about what she would say to Gopu Mama about the chappals when he would ask about them. She wondered what his reaction would be when he gets to know that those chappals were given to the music teacher. Your home assignment is to note down these question answers in your fair notebook and learn them. Thank you.